Lake Baikal is one of the most remarkable bodies of water on the planet. It breaks some amazing records, such as the oldest and deepest freshwater lake. The lake is estimated to be between 25 and 35 million years old. It is also the deepest lake in the world, with the deepest part being 1,632 hours below its surface. Due to its great depth, it is the largest reservoir of fresh water on the planet after glaciers, ice caps, and groundwater. The lake contains up to 23 cubic kilometers of water. This amounts to about 1/5 of all the world's fresh water. That is more than 5 times the volume of water contained in all the Great Lakes. Lake Baikal is located in continental Eurasia. It is located in Siberia near Russia's border with Mongolia. The city of Yakutsk is the closest large settlement to the lake. The lake is 640 kilometers long. It is also not very wide, being 79 kilometers at its widest point. This gives it an elongated appearance. The lake contains one of the most transparent waters on Earth. The water's purity arises from melted glaciers, contributing most of the lake's water. Additionally, the lake is located in a remote enough region away from significant human sources of pollution. The lake's water also has negligible levels of dissolved minerals. The water's lakes are so clear that it is possible to see up to 39 miles below the surface. The lake has a modifying effect on the climate of the surrounding region. Siberia is known for its cold, long winters. Large bodies of water, such as Lake Baikal, have a moderating influence on the climate of a region. This makes the winters here milder than in other areas. Nevertheless, the lake freezes over in winter and contains surface ice thick enough to support vehicles. It becomes a highway used to transport people and cargo. Lake Baikal is an ecological treasure trove. It contains exceptional biodiversity due to its attributes, such as the composition of water, isolation, and age. About 80% of more than 3,700 species in the lake are found nowhere else on Earth. The lake contains the only freshwater seal, known as the nurpa. It also contains numerous invertebrate species, arthropods, mollusks, and flatworms. On land surrounding the lake, animals such as polecats, roe deer, wild boar, reindeer, bears, sable, and wolves thrive. Additionally, cedar, spruce, and fir plants grow in the region. The economy around the lake is supported by industries such as tourism and fishing. The lake attracts numerous visitors annually, creating a demand for hospitality services such as hotels. The lake was declared a UNESCO World Heritage Site in 1996. It has also been considered sacred by the people living around it for millennia. The region has immense potential for developing the infrastructure that capitalizes on its potential as a buzzing tourist destination. Tourists can cross the lake over thick ice during winter or hike through its mountain ranges in summer. They can also engage in birdwatching and fishing on small vessels. The lake's unique ecosystem has come under threat from pollution as industrialization in the surrounding regions increases. This is likely to increase the rate of air and water pollution, significantly affecting the composition of the lake. Additionally, global events such as rising temperatures affect patterns of ice cover, threatening to disrupt the adaptation systems employed by many organisms in the region. One of the major issues facing the lake is algae blooms. This has recently become an issue due to increased temperatures and higher agricultural and industrial water rates finding their way into the lake. The Baikalsk paper and pulp mill, operated from 1966 to 2008, contributed to this problem significantly. Paper and pulp making processes consume a lot of water. Most of it was dumped into the lake, creating dead zones where life could not survive. The lake has 27 islands, most of which are uninhabited by humans. They remain in pristine natural conditions where wildlife thrives uninterrupted. The lake also has a long coastline. It is about 2,100 kilometers long. All along its shores, hundreds of streams deliver freshwater lakes. However, the lake only has one outlet, the Angara. The river carries up to 60 cubic kilometers of water from the lake into the Arctic Ocean annually. This contributes to the lake retaining its freshwater status